Which is your favorite LLM model? Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini? Well, that's not my point. The point is, everyone is using AI like an employee. The best companies use AI like an entire marketing department. Instead of one chatbot, you build a strategist, a copywriter, a researcher, a designer, a media buyer, an analyst. And all of these employees work together with you. So my big promise of this video is by the end of this video, you will have your own AI marketing department that can plan, create, analyze, and improve campaigns without hiring an entire team. It works with your own internal team or the agency that you work with. What do you need? Number one is an AI platform installed on your hardware. Examples include OpenClaw or your preferred AI agent platform. This is where your AI employee lives and communicates. Number two is an API key. Connect your preferred AI models. Examples include OpenAI API, Anthropic API, Gemini API, or via OpenRouter, Grok, or any supported LLM running locally. The AI platform simply routes requests to these models. Third is an automation platform. This is optional. Examples include N8N, Make.com, or Zapier. Also, you need an entire IT department to work here. Now let's build your marketing knowledge base. Instead of generic departments, every AI employee references dedicated knowledge files. So we have 6 kind of files here. Number 1 is a marketing strategy.md. This particular file contains positioning, target audience, offers, messaging, goals, and brand strategy. Everything about your business. Then we have content.md file. This particular file contains scripts, hooks, social media posts, newsletter, content ideas, and publishing strategies. Not to create it directly for you, although it can, but to understand your particular area or the angle of how you create the content. Then we have creative.md file. This particular file contains brand guidelines, ad concepts, thumbnail, references, image prompts, visual style, and limited more to your brand guidelines. Maybe color strategy. Then we have paidads.md file. This particular file contains campaigns, winning creatives, audiences, budget rules, and platform-specific SOPs, standard operating procedures. Then we have analytics.md file. This particular file contains your KPIs, key performance indicators. Then you have dashboards, performance benchmarks, reporting rules, optimization playbooks, and a little bit more related to analytics. Then after we are done with these 5 kind of files, we create customervoice.md file. This particular file contains reviews, testimonials, objection, sales calls, FAQs, customer language, and a little bit more about your customers. Now, these particular files are the single source of truth that every AI employee ensure that they all work from the same context rather than isolated prompts. So every AI employee works together with you with these 6 kind of files. Now let's build your AI organization, the AI employees. Number 1 is a manager, the Chief Marketing Officer. The CMO doesn't create marketing assets. It acts as the manager. It has responsibilities. Understand campaign goals, delegate work, coordinate with your AI employees, track the complete process, collect completed work, and request human approvals. Oversee the entire marketing pipeline. That's what your CMO does. Now we have an AI researcher. This AI researcher is responsible for complete market research, market trends, customer insights, and opportunity analysis. This AI reports back to the CMO. Now, the third is the AI marketing strategist. This strategist is responsible for campaign strategy, positioning, offers, messaging, marketing plans, and much more. This AI again reports back to the CMO. Now, another one is AI copywriter. This copywriter is responsible for ads, emails, landing pages, video scripts, sales copy. Now, you remember the voice.md file? That particular file makes this copywriter write in your company tone. This AI returns the completed copy to the CMO for review. Then we have AI creative director. This AI creative director is responsible for ad concepts, thumbnails, image generation, creative direction, and brand consistency. Returns all creative assets to the CMO. Then we have AI media buyer. This particular media buyer is responsible for building campaigns, budget allocation, audience selection, and platform setup. Campaign recommendations are also included under this particular AI. For example, retargeting campaign, cold audience campaign, or a particular angle concept campaign. If you want to learn more about campaigns, you can watch this video where I talk about inbound marketing masterclass. Now, the point about another media buyer AI is that it sends the campaign to the CMO. The CMO automatically emails designated human media buyer or marketing manager or performance marketer with all campaign details for the approval. Only after the explicit approval of the human, this campaign moves forward. Now, the AI marketing analyst is responsible for performance reports, trend analysis, KPI monitoring, optimization recommendations, everything that is related to analytics. And this AI reports findings back to the CMO, which determines the next actions. Your KPIs can be related to marketing or finance. Everything included in your KPI is under this analytics AI. Then we have the last, human approval workflow. This workflow is biggest differentiator of the whole department. Every AI employee can complete work, but no AI employee can finalize the important actions without human approval. Let me give you an example. A copywriter sends a human approval to the final copy. Creative director sends human approves thumbnails or creatives forward. Media buyer only gets approved human campaigns for publishing. Strategist also get human approved new marketing strategies. Analyst also gets human approved major optimization decision. The CMO manages this workflow automatically by sending approval requests to appropriate stakeholder before any high impact action is executed. Now, this is my favorite part. Let's connect everything. For this, I have my own framework. I call it the market framework. So M stands for memory. Everything gets stored. Marketingstrategy.md, content.md, creative.md, ads.md, analytics.md, customervoice.md. Nothing lives inside one single prompt. Then we have assign. Assigning the task. The CMO, when receives a request, it assigns it to the right AI employee. This AI employee can be a researcher, copywriter, creative, director, media buyer, and analyst even. If the task requires human involvement, the assigned AI employee first prepares everything the human needs to execute the work, such as scripts, shortlist, creative briefs, checklist, or recommendation. Then we have R. R stands for review. Every AI finishes its work. The CMO reviews it. If needed, another AI improves it. Then we have K. K stands for knowledge. Every AI reads from the same knowledge base. Nobody invents their own information. Everyone shares the same memory. Then we have E. E stands for execute. Once approved, the next action is to be performed by the right team member. If it's a digital task, the AI employee performs the action. If it's to generate a content, AI employees sends it to the human to generate that particular content or shoot that particular content. Digital tasks include building campaigns, create emails, analyze data. If it's a real world task, the AI guides the human through execution. For example, the copywriter writes the script and the creator films it. This is very important because at the end of the day, a human has to make the final decision and AI has to perform it. The creative director prepares the shortlist, visual references, and creative direction while the production team captures the footage. The researcher identifies what information needs to be collected and the human conducts interview or gather insights. Once the human complete the work, the results are uploaded back to the system so the AI team can continue the workflow. This creates a continuous collaboration between AI and humans where AI handles planning and coordination and repetitive work while humans provide creativity, judgment, and real-world execution. Now, last we have T. T stands for track. Everything was logged. When AI works, everything gets logged. Campaigns, performance, winning structures, CTR, conversations, results go back to the analytics.md file. Now the system gets smarter. Here are some non-negotiables. Number 1, AI supports marketers. It doesn't replace the accountability. Every AI employee uses the same knowledge base. Third, every campaign is documented. Fourth, the CMO coordinates the workflow. One manager, multiple employees working with humans. Then we have high impact actions always require human approval. Performance data continuously improves on future decisions. Most people build AI agents. The companies that win build AI organizations. The biggest point after creating this AI marketing department is that AI won't replace you. A person who knows how to use AI will definitely replace you. Your task is not to complete the task. Your task is to make better decisions. My name is Hirdesh Mitai, and if you want to learn more about marketing and AI, subscribe and I will see you in the next one.